Hello and welcome to Simple Startup. Today I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to use Simple Startup. First, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and fill out the basic information about your business, such as the name, the type, location, the description, and the business entity type. Once you've done all that, you can go ahead and press this button to generate a comprehensive business plan with our AI Business Generator. After you've done that, you can come on over to the All Businesses page and you'll see your business right here. After you've done that, go ahead and pop down to the Legal and Licensings page. This will give you all the required licenses and regulations of your business. For example, our Joe's Diner in New York City has these following legally required licenses or regulations. Once you've gotten all those, you can go ahead and come down to the goals and milestone pages. Here, you can create any goals or milestones you might have for your business. This can be anything as big as getting 20,000 new sales, or anything as small as simply get the business started. Lastly, time to make your business dream a reality. On the side here, you can see that there's a bunch of different pages and tools that you can use for your business. Now, some of them, such as the startup tools, are available to all tiers and anyone can use them. However, tools such as the growth tools here require a higher subscription to be able to use. Regardless, Simple Startup makes it simple and easy to make your business and grow it with ease. So it's time to try it out today.